Hello everyone and welcome back to Django tutorial. This is first tutorial of Django and I'm Mohammad Ashraful Islam, which is always with you. Okay, now I'm not gonna waste your time exactly, so let's start. Oh, installation part. In this part, in first tutorial we wanna installation, how to install Django here. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install Django. Before installing Django, I think you have to know what is Django, why Django, and why not the other framework. Yeah? If you really don't know about it, then go to this link. I will give this link on the description below. Otherwise, if you are uh, so weak like me, then search on the Google about Django. You will find a lots of documentation. So, in my opinion, try to read, try to read Django. Don't watch. Why why I'm saying this? Because if you read, then it will enlarge your reading skill and learning skill also. Don't watch. If you really don't understand, then go ahead and watch my video. Installation materials: choose an operating system first. If you are using Windows, Linux, Unix, or Mac, whatever, you can install Django finally. Okay, for that you need to make sure that you have Python installed and you can access your Python from CLI, which is command line interface. This is very much important, that command line interface, because everything you need to command for the Django in your command line terminal or whatever. Now just follow me and have some fun. Bye bye. Okay, so if I want to install Django, just open my terminal, and this is my terminal and I'm going to desktop here. And so if I'm going to desktop here, so I need to install a virtual environment. So before this virtual environment, I need to install FIP. Okay, so I am there using Python 3. So type like me and see the Python version. Yeah, Python 3.4.3 or something others. It's not a big deal really. So follow me and install FIP fast. If your Linux operating system, then type me sudo apt-get install python 3 pip. Okay, enter and enter your password. Okay, it's already installed on my system. It's okay. If you are using Windows operating system, then pip is already installed there. If you are using Python 3 version and its most updated version, like 3.4 or newer version, so don't need to install pip. You just open your command line with administration permission, like cmd right click and open with administration. Now I'm going to install virtual environment. So FIP3, make sure that we are using Python 3. That's why you need to use FIP3 install virtual environment, like that, and enter. Oh, requirement already satisfied. That means I have virtual environment installed already. If you don't have, then don't worry, it will install it by its opinion. Oh, make sure on that when you use pip3, this command, you need to use sudo pip3, because it must need the super user permission. Okay, it's not a big deal. After installing virtual environment, you have to create a virtual environment. Suppose like that virtual env, type a name, suppose virtual env lol, which is our virtual environment name, lol here, and enter. It's that new python executable in lol bin python 3. Make sure that here is python 3 and cd lol. Okay, then you are on lol directory. Simply ls there is bin, and to activating the virtual environment you have to type source bin activate. If you are using bash shell, I mean default shell, then activate will work for you, but I'm using here fish, that's why dot fish required only for me, not only for you. Okay, clear. And now I'm going to here p freeze for showing that which is installed here. Only one wheel is installed here, nothing else. Now I need to install Django here. Pip install Django. Pip install Django. If you have preferred version of Django, then equal 1.9, 1.10, something like that. Almost 1.9 is the latest version of Django. If you really like to backdated version 1.7, 1.65, whatever, but I'm going to here 1.9 or default version. Okay, now it's collecting Django. Okay, fine, it's almost downloaded. So my thank you my fastest internet, and it's downloaded already. And Django now show pip freeze. Yeah, Django 1.9 is installed. Okay, now installation part is completed. So you have a question how to run Django project, yeah, isn't it? Okay, let's go and make sure that you have installed Django. Okay, type here, oh I'm sorry, Django admin start project. It's like my site, it's your site, that's why my site. Let's see ls, yeah, my site is created. Okay, let's go to cd my site, then ls, yeah, here is manage.py and my site. If you really wanna see what is on the my site, then this my site folder, there is init.py, settings.py, urls.py, that's it. Okay, I need to use a python. Don't need to hear python 3, because if you type here python version, then there is only one python installed on your virtual environment lol. Okay, so clear the terminal and cls manage.py. Now I'm going to python manage.py here, make migration. Then enter. Yeah, no change detected. Okay, now my crt migrate manage.py migrate. That means I'm going to migrate my Django with database. Yeah, alter user exist and something like that. You don't need to understand right now. When you see next tutorial and see read more books, then you'll understand automatically. Now run the file. This manage.py is managing all the files. Okay, now system check identifies no issues, that means it's finally working. Today's date December 9/15, Django version 1.9 using my site.setting. Inside the my site, okay, I'm going to show you, don't worry, my site, and this settings dot, yeah, this settings file is for settings. Okay, let's open this link. Yeah, it's work. Congratulations on your first Django for page. Of course you haven't actually done any work yet. Yeah, debug true, that means your setting message because debug true in Django setting. If we see the setting here, our debug is true. That means if any error occurred in Django, suppose we are going to, in this tutorial, page not found and it's occurring our URL setting. Okay, it's enough for today because human mind can work very fast. It's not machine. By the way, have fun with Django. Bye.